In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets as a database. We'll turn a plain spreadsheet into a mini data system using built-in tools like Query, drop-downs for clean data entry, and a quick lookup to pull related details. Keep your sheet open and follow along. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating or opening a sheet where you want to work. Set up a small table with clear headers across the top, such as an ID, a name or label, a category, a contact field, and a status. Enter a few rows of sample values so we have something to query. Keep the entries simple and generic. This is just a demo. Now scroll to an empty area below the table and click a blank cell where you want your results to appear. We'll write a query formula that treats your table like a database. Begin typing the equal sign and the word query. When the formula helper appears, click Query to insert it. For the first argument, highlight your entire table, including the header row. For the second argument, write a simple SQL-style clause, for example. Select the columns you want to return, and if you like, add a where condition to filter by your status. For instance, you might select the ID, name, and contact columns where status equals active. Finally, set the header count to 1 so Query knows your first row has headers. Press Enter, and your clean, filtered result set will appear in the cell where you started. If you want that contact column to show in your results, make sure you include it in the select list. This helps you quickly reference important details alongside IDs without scrolling through the original table. Next, let's enforce consistent entries with a drop-down. Click a cell in the status column, open the More Cell Actions or Data options, and add a drop-down. Define a few allowed values, such as active and inactive, and apply it to the whole status column. When you mark a row's status using the drop-down, the query results below will update automatically based on your filter. Click a few cells and choose different statuses to see the effect. Finally, we'll grab a single piece of information using VLOOKUP. Click an empty cell, start typing VLOOKUP, and select it from the helper. Use an ID as the search key, the full table as the range, the column index you want returned, such as the contact field's position, and set the final argument to false for an exact match. Press Enter to instantly retrieve the matching detail. And that's it. You've organized your data, queried it like a database, validated entries with dropdowns, and fetched specific values with VLOOKUP, all inside Google Sheets.